talking about your hometown. Hi, Emily. Where is your hometown?
Hi, Michael. My hometown is a small city.
Is it quiet or busy?
It is quiet and friendly.
That sounds nice.
Yes, people know each other.
Do you like living there?
Yes, I like it very much.
What do people do there?
Many people work in shops.
Are there parks?
Yes, we have 2 parks.
Do you go there often?
I go there on weekends.
Do children play there?
Yes, children play and laugh.
That sounds fun.
It is very fun.
Is your hometown clean?
Yes, it is clean.
Are there schools?
Yes, many schools.
Do you miss it?
Yes, I miss it sometimes.
Do you visit often?
I visit once a year.
What do you like most?
I like the people most.
Are people kind?
Yes, very kind.
That is important.
Yes, it feels like home.
I want to visit someday.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Emily.
You're welcome, Michael.
I enjoyed this talk.
Me too.
Let's talk again.
Yes, let's do it.
Talking about your country. Emily, what country are you from?
I am from my home country.
Is it big or small?
It is medium in size.
Is it beautiful?
Yes, very beautiful.
What places do you like?
I like mountains and cities.
Do people travel a lot?
Yes, people like travel.
What food is popular?
Rice and bread are popular.
I like bread.
Me too.
Is the weather good?
It changes with seasons.
Do you have summer and winter?
Yes, both.
Are people friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
That is great.
Yes, visitors feel happy.
Do many languages exist?
Yes, people speak many languages.
That is interesting.
I think so too.
Do you love your country?
Yes, I love it.
What do you love most?
The culture and people.
Culture is important.
Yes, it teaches us a lot.
I want to learn more.
I can tell you more later.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is fun practice.
Yes, very fun.
Let's keep talking.
Sure.
Describing your house or apartment. Emily, do you live in a house?
I live in an apartment.
Is it big?
It is small but nice.
How many rooms?
3 rooms.
That is good.
Yes, it is enough.
Is it clean?
Yes, I clean every day.
Ha ha! Good habit.
Thank you.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, a small kitchen.
Do you cook?
Yes, I cook simple food.
That is healthy.
I think so.
Is there a balcony?
Yes, a small balcony.
Do you like it?
Yes, I drink tea there.
Sounds relaxing.
It is relaxing.
Is your place quiet?
Yes, very quiet.
Do you feel safe?
Yes, I feel safe.
That is important.
Yes, very important.
I like your apartment.
Thank you, Michael.
Maybe I visit someday.
You are welcome.
Great.
I will make tea.
Ha ha, nice.
It will be fun.
Good talk.
Yes.
Describing your room. Emily, tell me about your room.
My room is small.
Is it comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
What color is it?
It is light blue.
That is calm.
Yes, I like calm colors.
Do you have a bed?
Yes, a simple bed.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
Haha, lucky you.
Yes.
Do you have a desk?
Yes, for study.
Do you study there?
Every evening.
That is good.
Thank you.
Any pictures on walls?
Yes, family pictures.
That is nice.
It makes me happy.
Do you keep it clean?
Yes, always.
Great habit.
I try my best.
Is it quiet at night?
Yes, very quiet.
Perfect for rest.
Yes.
I like your room.
Thank you.
Simple is good.
I agree.
Nice practice.
Yes.
Let's continue.
Sure.
Talking about your family members. Emily, do you have a big family?
I have a medium family.
How many people?
5 people.
Who are they?
Parents and siblings.
Do you live together?
Yes, we do.
Is it fun?
Yes, sometimes noisy.
I understand.
Family is like that.
Do you eat together?
Yes, every evening.
That is nice.
We talk and laugh.
Who cooks?
My mother cooks.
Is the food good?
Yes, very good.
Do you help?
Yes, I help a little.
Good child.
Thanks.
Do you love your family?
Yes, very much.
Family is important.
Yes, always.
Do you travel together?
Sometimes.
That is fun.
Yes.
I like this topic.
Me too.
Good speaking.
Thank you.
Keep going.
I will.
Nice.
Yes.
Talking about your parents. Emily, tell me about your parents.
My parents are kind.
What does your father do?
He works in an office.
And your mother?
She works at home.
Are they supportive?
Yes, very supportive.
That is great.
I am lucky.
Do they help you?
Yes, always.
Good parents.
Yes.
Do you talk a lot?
Yes, every day.
What do you talk about?
Life and plans.
Do they give advice?
Yes, good advice.
Do you listen?
Yes, I try.
Good answer.
Thanks.
Are they strict?
A little.
That is normal.
Yes.
Do you love them?
Very much.
That is sweet.
Thank you.
Parents are special.
Yes, they are.
Good practice.
Yes,
Keep speaking.
I will.
Nice.
Yes.
Talking about brothers and sisters. Emily, do you have siblings?
Yes, I do.
How many?
2 siblings.
Brothers or sisters?
1 brother, 1 sister.
Are they older?
My brother is older.
And your sister?
She is younger.
Do you get along?
Yes, most times.
Most times.
Yes.
What does your brother do?
He studies.
And your sister?
She goes to school.
Do you help her?
Yes, with homework.
That is kind.
Thank you.
Do you play together?
Sometimes.
What games?
Simple games.
Sounds fun.
Yes.
Do you argue?
Sometimes.
Normal.
Yes.
Family life is fun.
I agree.
Good talk.
Yes.
Keep practicing.
I will.
Nice.
Thanks.
Talking about children. Emily, do you like children?
Yes, I like children.
Are they fun?
Yes, very fun.
Are they noisy? Yes, noisy. Do you play with them?
Yes, sometimes.
What games?
Simple games.
Do they like you?
Yes, they do.
That is nice.
Thank you.
Do you teach them?
I teach small things.
Like what?
colors and numbers.
That is helpful.
I think so.
Do children learn fast?
Yes, very fast.
That is amazing.
Yes,
Do you want children?
maybe in future.
Good plan.
Yes,
Children bring joy
they do.
and energy.
Lots of energy.
Nice topic.
Yes,
Good speaking.
thank you.
Keep going.
Sure.
Almost done.
Yes.
Talking about neighbors. Emily, do you know your neighbors?
Yes, I know them.
Are they friendly?
Yes, very friendly.
Do you talk often?
Yes, sometimes.
What do you talk about?
Daily life?
Do they help you?
Yes, when needed.
Good neighbors.
Yes.
Are they quiet?
Yes, mostly.
That is good.
I agree.
Do they have children?
Yes, 2 kids.
Are the kids nice?
Yes, very nice.
Do you say hello?
Every day.
That is polite.
Yes.
Do you share food?
Sometimes.
That is kind.
Yes,
Neighbors matter.
they do.
Good community.
Yes.
Nice practice.
Thank you.
Keep speaking daily.
I will.
Almost finished.
Yes.
Great job.
Thanks.
Talking about your best friend. Emily, do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do.
What is her name?
Her name is Sarah.
How did you meet?
At school.
Are you close?
Yes, very close.
What do you do together?
We talk and laugh.
Ha! Good friends.
Yes.
Do you trust her?
Yes, I trust her.
That is important.
Very important.
Do you help each other?
Yes, always.
What does she like?
She likes music.
Do you like music too?
Yes, I do.
Nice match.
Yes.
Do you meet often?
Every week.
That is good.
Yes.
Friends make life better.
I agree.
Do you laugh a lot?
Yes.
That is great.
Yes.
This was fun.
Very fun.
You did great.
Thank you.
Keep practicing English daily.
I will.